Hey broke plant eaters, today we are going to be making roasted chickpeas, and not just any roasted chickpeas, but 3 different flavors. All right, first things first, we are going to be roasting the chickpeas. You're going to follow this step for all 3 recipes. So I've rinsed and dried these beans on a napkin for about 30 minutes, and now I throw them onto some parchment paper. I'm going to pick off the very loose skins, and once I have done that, not on all of them, just the ones that are super loose, I'm throwing them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, tossing them halfway through. We are starting with our garlic parmesan chickpeas. So I'm throwing in a tablespoon of coconut oil. This is kind of key and essential to allowing the seasonings to stick to all of the chickpeas. So sorry, this is actually not an oil-free recipe. So I have garlic, parsley, vegan Parmesan cheese, some sea salt, and some ground black pepper. I'm going to throw the freshly coated chickpeas right into this bowl and just toss them around. Definitely want to make sure that they are evenly coated. And like I said, because of the coconut oil or whatever oil you choose to use, it will really allow the seasonings to stick to your chickpeas, which make a great snack. All of the kids seem to think that this one tastes like pizza. So this is also one of my favorites. Moving on. All right, moving on to our sweet cinnamon chickpeas. We are going to do the same thing with our coconut oil and then toss them into our seasonings, which happen to be some cane sugar and some cinnamon. So throw those freshly coated with coconut oil chickpeas right into your seasonings and start stirring those around. I'm also going to be adding in some liquid sweetener. We happen to be using agave. We also use blue raw agave. I know some of you guys have asked that. You're definitely going to want to throw these back in the oven for about 10 minutes. They make them crisp up even more, only because adding the agave kind of softens them up. These taste absolutely amazing when they are warm, so just keep that noted. I threw them back in the oven, and this is basically what they look like. They're super like syrupy and delicious, and I can't stop eating these. Let's move on to our barbecue chickpeas. You'll need some garlic powder, some salt, some onion powder, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Let's not forget the brown sugar. So we are going to be tossing in our already oiled up with coconut oil chickpeas right into our seasonings here. We'll toss those around and add in our brown sugar as well. Make sure those are fully coated, and then you can throw in just a few drops of liquid smoke. This is completely optional. If you don't have liquid smoke, they're going to taste just as amazing, but the liquid smoke kind of heightens that barbecue smoky flavor, and these are delicious. So we hope that you try not 1, not 2, but maybe 3 of our recipes here. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss another video. Until next time, folks.